Welcome to this tutorial on how to file taxes using H&R Block online. Filing taxes can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance, it can be a straightforward process. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to file your taxes using H&R Block online. First, you will need to create an account on the H&R Block website. To do this, go to the H&R Block website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password. You will then be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have created your account, you can start the tax filing process. You will be asked to select the type of tax return you want to file, such as a 1040 or 1040EZ. You will then be guided through a series of questions and prompts to gather the necessary information to complete your tax return. One of the key concepts to understand when filing taxes is the difference between deductions and credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits reduce the amount of tax you owe. H&R Block will guide you through the process of claiming deductions and credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit. As you work through the tax filing process, you will be asked to enter information from your W-2 and 1099 forms, as well as any other relevant tax documents. It is essential to have these documents readily available to ensure accuracy and completeness. Another important concept to understand is the difference between federal and state taxes. H&R Block will guide you through the process of filing both your federal and state tax returns. You will need to provide information about your income, deductions, and credits for both federal and state taxes. Once you have completed the tax filing process, H&R Block will review your return for accuracy and completeness. You will then be given the option to e-file your return or print and mail it. E-filing is the fastest and most convenient way to file your taxes, and it also reduces the risk of errors and processing delays. Finally, it is essential to keep a record of your tax return and supporting documents. H&R Block will provide you with a copy of your tax return, which you can save or print for your records. You should also keep a copy of your W-2 and 1099 forms, as well as any other tax-related documents, in case you need to refer to them in the future. In conclusion, filing taxes using H&R Block online is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidance provided by H&R Block and understanding key concepts such as deductions and credits, you can ensure that your tax return is accurate and complete. Remember to keep a record of your tax return and supporting documents, and take advantage of the convenience and speed of e-filing.